How to use the TVM calculator to compute the amount you need to save for your retirement. Wala ka pang gantong app, so punta ka lang sa App Store or Play Store and download Easy Financial Calculators. And then, open mo itong app and then click itong nasa taas, itong TVM calculator. And then, ganito yung makikita mo. So for example, 45 years old ka today at gusto mo mag-retire at age 65. So, sinasabi natin na if you want to enjoy 20 years of your retirement life, you must save 20 years earlier. So, kaya yun yung naging example ko. So, kunyari, 65 years old ka na today, magre-retire ka na, lahat na nung mga binabayaran mo at the moment, fully paid na by that time. So, kailangan mo na lang ng enough money with little entertainment, pangbayad sa Meralco, tubig, sa food, ganyan. So, kunyari na lang, ang kakailanganin mo na lang na value is 20,000 in the future. Diba? So, 20,000 today, tapos amount in the future, so kukumputin natin siya. So, 20,000 times 12 months, that's 240,000. Kaya nilagay ko dito sa present value, 240,000. Noong September, 3.3% ang inflation rate natin. So, i-round up ko na lang, 4% ang lalagay natin dito sa annual rate. Ang goal kasi natin ngayon is computin magkano yung 20,000 per month na pambayad sa retirement life mo by that time at age 65 ka na, 20 years from now. So, nilagay ko dito, 20 years dito sa period. And then, compounding annually, yan, dito siya, kasi yearly yung ating interest rate na lalagay. And then, or inflation. And then dito, end of year. So, dito lagay mo, end. Then afterwards, click mo tong FB para malaman natin in the future, pag 65 ka na, magkano yung 240,000 or 20K per month na nagagastos natin today. Kung na-click mo na tong FB, ang lalabas is 525,000. Meaning, yung nabibili ng 20,000 today, in the future, that's 525,000 na per year. So, yung 240,000 na yun. Ano ibig sabihin nito? So, meaning, in the future, kailangan mo ng 525,000 20 years from now. And if you want to enjoy the retirement life for the next 20 years, i-times mo yan ng 20. Kung 10 years, para hindi ka ma-overwhelm, i-times 10 na lang natin. So, that's 5.25 million. For example, gusto mong i-enjoy ang retirement life mo for the next 10 years, so kailangan natin ng money for that. So kanina, sa na-compute natin, yung 20,000 na lifestyle or 240,000 a year, that's 525,000 in the future with 4% inflation rate. So gamitin natin, nilagay ko dito sa baba, 525,000, i-times mo yan ng 10 years to enjoy. Let's place that dito sa FB or future value, itong 5.25 million. Afterwards, let's click itong PMT or payment para malaman natin kung magkano yung kailangan mong i-save today. Kailangan mo rin palang gawin beginning ito kasi nga from future papunta sa present yung ating isi-save. Ang magiging sagot is 169,000. Meaning, kailangan mo mag-save ng 169,000 for the next 20 years na kumikita ng 4% para magkaroon ka ng 5.25 million. Kung malaki yung amount na to for you, don't worry, so magkano lang ang kaya mong i-save, simulan mo na. O kaya kung meron kang mahanap na ibang vehicles, o kaya magaling ka sa magpatakbo ng business mo, so magkaroon ka ng mga other earnings para sa retirement mo, so yun yung pwede mong gawin para maka-catch up at magkaroon ng gantong amount of money in the future. So why do we need to save for our retirement? Kasi nga people don't plan to fail, they just fail to plan. And meron nga dito kaming nilagay na hard truth na 80% of retiring Pinoys are not financially prepared. So that's according to Enquirer. And 8 out of 10 Filipinos ages 60 and above do not receive sufficient pension to fully cover for their living expenses. So, para hindi tayo maging part ng 8 out of 10 Pinoys na makaka-experience ng ganito in the future, you must start already saving for your retirement. Even if 20s ka pa lang, kakagraduate mo pa lang, pag may extra amount of money ka, mag-save ka for that. And then yung the rest, for your luho and iba pang mga goals in life. So you can use that easy financial calculators para matulungan ka mag-compute ng amount na isi-save mo para sa big goals mo. Kunyari, bibili ka ng bahay, o kaya naman gusto mong mag-save for your kids' education, o kaya pang travel fund 10 years from now. So, marami pang iba na pwedeng gawin. Ikaw na bahala ang maglalagay ng label para sa goals mo. So, ito yung tool na gusto kong introduce sa'yo.